And so I thought, that's it. There's nothing else we're going to do. And now we have this. Let me tell you about it. Thanks for watching. What's different about these screens? Number one, the material is better. It's a more flexible nylon, and the concept is they hang more loosely. You can still see out just fine, but they don't make specific ones for a Sprinter or a ProMaster or a Transit. They make it for an opening because it's an opening. And so this is a very quick way to put up the screen. We can do it in 30 seconds or less. It comes down like this, as I'll show you a video of me doing that. And so it's magnets all the way around the edges, as you'll see. You put it up there, and then when you don't need it, you take it down. That's what we want. We like it open. When we're traveling especially, we just don't want the screens in the way. Once we get camping, if we're in a place that has bugs, and we want it, and it's open for a while we're, go to bed or something, we'll put it up, and if we can, we quite often leave the back door open, so we'd have the screen up. We couldn't do that at Rocky Mountain because of bears, and other locations there are issues you wouldn't want to have to worry about animals coming in. But goes up, comes down very, very quickly, and we'll have Susie and I will put it up. Okay, before we show you us putting it up, and I make a big deal about how fast you can do it. That's really not the biggest deal. Because where are you going to be worried? There's a cloud of mosquitoes and they're coming in. If it's that bad, you don't want the door open anyway. Okay? There's a track up here where the mechanism slides.
And don't put it in the track because it's got grease in there.
Right. And so we keep it right above the gasket here, and it fits perfectly. And the reason we want to point that out is I have seen videos where people throw it up on the roof, and you can do that, but the problem would be you're going to have a little kind of a place you have to finesse because you're over top of the mechanism. It's pulling, and it leaves kind of an opening there. You can sort of make it work, but if you do it this way, you are following the contours of the metal everywhere, and so it's a pretty good seal all the way around. Okay?
Yeah.
So I think that's the best way to do it. Not in that, like Susie said, not in that gap up there because there's grease up there where the roller is coming around. So now we're going to take it down, and we'll show you us putting it right back up. Let's just go ahead and do that now. And she's going to get in the inside. Okay. Right there. I didn't time it, but that still doesn't take very long. So show how it's coming in and out. So we get to a site and we want to have the screen, or we're taking naps and we want the air to come through, and there's no bears nearby. And then if we are taking things in and out, you just do that and you're good to go right there. Okay, good job. So that's how it's done. All right, I know there's a lot of van people, it's just a gal by themselves, and Susie's 5'2". Even like I said with the step stool, she's got to work from the inside, but she's going to take it down now, and we're going to give her all the time she wants to put it back up so there's no pressure.
Well, you can take it down from the outside. Okay, and then put it back up. Start over.
So she's finishing it. I will do this. I'll just for me, I'll pull that over a little bit. But it was actually sealed, so there you go. So
if you wanted to, you could hem it, or so that it gets the metal here.
The magnet.
Not hem it, but like turn it over like that and sew it up, so it only comes to there.
Yeah, that's it. There's not much to this. It's a great screen, up and down fast, and not permanent. Works
I really
great for
like
us.
it.
Yeah. This is the living in a bubble. This one we've not taken out of the bag yet. You know how it is once you take something out of the bag, it does fit back in, but maybe bulges a bit more. But we highly recommend these screens, and as I said before, just make sure you really check your dimensions that it will work, and I think you'll be quite happy with this. Living in a bubble screens for your van. Thanks for watching.